So why is the sky blue? And more interesting, why is it red during sunset and at dawn for that matter? So to understand why the sky is a certain color, first know that it's being illuminated by the sun. And the sun has all the colors of the rainbow, as they say. And only a certain color is being filtered out, meaning trapped, in the atmosphere, and that's the color that it shows. So the sunlight coming in contains all the primary colors. And you can prove this by putting the sunlight through a prism, and it will actually separate all the individual colors. Now, light, visible light, operates on a wavelength. And this wavelength is this little particle of energy. And the wavelength can be described as, just think of the squiggly line, and the length is from the top of a wave to the next top of the wave, or to the bottom of the wave to the next bottom of the wave. Doesn't matter, they're equal in distance. If you shorten a wavelength, you get a different color. If you elongate it, you get a different color. And it just so happens that blue is a shorter wavelength than red. So you can say that blue is of a higher energy because it's got all these little tiny waves in it. So that's important, this wavelength theory and how it correlates to color. In the atmosphere, it's made up of all these different gases and these molecules, but what's most important is the abundance of those molecules are a certain distance apart. They're atoms. So these atoms are a certain distance apart that they're equal or close to equal in distance as the wavelength of blue light. So what happens is, since they're both about the same distance, when all this visible light gets passed through in the atmosphere, red, green, yellow, they all kind of escape, they pass right through. But blue, since it's about the same distance, gets trapped and it takes longer to get out. So since it takes longer, you actually get to see that process, and that's why the sky looks blue. Now during sunset or dawn, the sun's not directly above you like it is most of the day. It's on the horizon. And what that means is that the sunlight, to get to your eye where you are on Earth, has to travel through a greater distance of atmosphere. So those little molecules that I was talking about, as the light bounces in them, it takes longer to get out. And because of that, some of the longer wavelength, energy wavelengths of light, such as red, get trapped. And since they're the longer ones, that's what you end up seeing. So when the sun's directly above and it has to travel through a short distance of atmosphere to get to you, then it's blue. When it has to travel through a longer distance, more light gets trapped, and then you see red. So you can think about that as if you're here on Earth, right there, and the sun's over here, it has to travel through this much atmosphere. But if you're right here and the sun's over here, then it has to travel through all that atmosphere on a horizontal line to get to you. And that's why.